Hi, this is Sally, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a lemon pepper. I have a few recipes that call for this spice called sumac, and I am unable to get it locally. I could actually order it online, but I'm really not into ordering very much online. I had a look online to see what would be a good substitute, and it turns out that lemon pepper is a good substitute. I'll show you how to do this. I used to actually make this when I worked in the commercial kitchen a few years back. It's surprising you learn one thing in one place and you use it somewhere else. So let's get on with it. I'm going to zest 2 lemons because I need about 2 tablespoons of lemon zest, and I'm going to use the finer side of my grater. While I'm doing this, I have just put my oven on to preheat to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Gosh, this smells so good. I won't make you watch all this because this is really boring. Now to this I am going to add 2 tablespoons of peppercorns. The only ones I've got is actually peppercorn medley. Black peppercorns would be just as good. It's really up to you. Mix the peppercorns and the lemon zest together, and my oven has actually reached the 350 degrees. I'm going to spread this out on this sheet here like this. Spread it out thinly so that the lemon zest will dry out evenly, and the peppercorns should impart some of their flavour to the lemon. I think that looks, I'll have to put my glasses on. I think that looks about even. It's the thickness of the peppercorns, because that's kind of gauging how deep all of this is. I'm going to put this onto the middle shelf in my oven now that I have turned the heat down to 180 degrees. So it's a cooler oven, and I think it should take about 30 to 35 minutes on that cooler heat to dry out. So now I'm just going to pour in a tablespoon of salt. I'm actually using Himalayan salt. You could use sea salt or table salt, whichever you want. Put that on there, and then push that all down into the centre like that, so it's all mixed together. I'm going to pour this into here. Just make sure everything is in the container, and then I am just going to put it in. Once I've ground it up to the consistency that I want, pop that on here. I've found this little spice jar, so I'm going to just create like a funnel and pour it in very carefully so it doesn't spill everywhere. Thank you for joining me on this project. I hope that I was able to impart some useful information to you. I am actually looking forward to using this on a few dishes over the next couple of weeks, so we'll see how this works. If you want to hear more from me, please subscribe, hit the bell button, and a few thumbs up would be absolutely brilliant. And in the meantime, see you later, take care. Ciao.